G'day guys, and welcome back to another lot of Cisco questions, and today I'll be configuring OSPF 342. What is the administrative distance of OSPF? We've got 110, 90, 120 and 115. Rote memory, the answer here is A, 110. 343, which of the following would be used as the OSPF router ID if all were configured? We got highest IP address assigned to loopback interface, physical interface, and lowest loopback and lowest physical. So again, with memory here, we refer to A as the answer. If in the case that there's no loopback, that will be referring to the physical interface that is also the highest IP address in that area. 344, what type of OSPF router connects one or more areas to the backbone network? We've got BR, IR, ASBR and ABR. So in this one, we will go with D as the answer, ABR, which is the area border router. 345, you are troubleshooting OSPF configuration. What command would you use to verify your configuration? We've got show OSPF, show IP OSPF, show interfaces, show controllers. When looking at configuration, a lot of the times there's something in front of what you need to actually, I suppose, specify. It's normally not just do this thing, it's normally have to categorize. So in this instance, it would be B, show IP OSPF, and that is the syntax to get to those settings. When configuring OSPF on your router, you have specified an interface to be part of area 0. What is the area known as? We've got backbone, branch network, exterior network, internet. So think of it like ground 0, and the first bit to get any kind of connectivity to the outside world, we need a backbone. So the answer there is A. 347, you need to configure OSPF on your router. Which of the following most accurately depicts the commands used? And we've got 4 options here. So what I'll do, I'll give you guys a chance to pause it and go through the answers there, and I will sort of walk you through it. The final answer, which in this case is B. So use the following commands: router OSPF 1, network 192.168.1.0, and then we've got a few little bits and pieces here. So obviously to configure it first, you need router OSPF, then the ID, in this case it's 1, and then we obviously need the network, and obviously it's a wild mask we're using here for the 0002255 at the end, and then obviously specifying the area, which is in this case is the backbone, area 0. And that's the answer there. 348, you want to configure your router for OSPF and run it on interfaces that are on the 192.168.1 network. Which of the following commands would you use? Again, we've got 4 options, and looking at my last one, this probably makes it a bit easier for you guys. So again, feel free to pause, but I'll go through the answer here, which I'll sort of look through and let you know. So the answer for this one is A. Use the following. So we've got router OSPF, and then the ID, which is 1, then the network, and we've got the wild mask, and then define area 0, which is the backbone. 349, when troubleshooting OSPF, which of the following commands would you use? We've got to select 2. We've got show CDP neighbors, show IP protocol, show MAC address table, show, which is really descriptive, show IP OSPF neighbor. So I will go through this one here with you guys. Yeah, so what you want to do is B and E. So show IP protocols gives us some preliminary information on OSPF in general, allows us to sort of troubleshoot from there, and then show IP OSPF neighbor will also show neighboring networks as well to sort of help out with the troubleshooting process there. 350, which of the following commands enables an OSPF version 3 process? We got router OSPF 5, OSPF 5, IPv6, OSPF 5, IPv6 router, OSPF 5. So to give a hint for this one, version 3 requires IPv6, so it eliminates A and B straight away. And the correct terminology and command is D, IPv6 router, OSPF version 5. And we've got another one here. Which of the following commands would you use to change the router ID of an OSPF router? We've got a few, so this is just being able to know the syntax. The answer for this one, feel free to pause, and I'll give you the answer for this one on the next slide now, which is D. use the following. So router OSPF 1, again we're router OSPF, then the ID, and then after that it's the router ID followed by the IP address, which is seemingly named server. Alright, thanks heaps for watching, guys. I've got the website there. Subscribe away if you like the content and like the video, all that good stuff. Got my mailing list in the description as well. So I hope you enjoyed, guys. Really appreciate you coming along for the journey. I'll see you on the next video.